How to receive money on Revolut. So to receive money on Revolut, there are several different ways you can do this. The first one is if you navigate to the home page on the bottom left menu, then click on your profile icon in the top left corner. Here you will see your name and then a little QR code icon. So click on this. Now this is your unique QR code that the person can scan to send you money. So this is the first way to receive money on Revolut. Now the second way to receive money on Revolut is if you click on share link and then you click on copy, and then you can simply copy and send your link to the person that you're trying to receive the money from. So this is the second way to receive money on Revolut. Now, if we go back, we close this and then we go to payments. Then if you click on the plus icon in the top right corner, you can actually create a payment link and you can click on request money. So here you can simply click on your link and this will copy it to clipboard, or you can share link and send it to your friend. You can also click on request a specific amount, type in the amount that you would like to request and create the link. Now, the last way to receive money on Revolut is if you go back to the home page at the bottom menu, then you click on the details icon, and here you'll be able to see your account details. So simply what you want to do is you want to click on share next to for domestic transfers only and send your account details to the person you're trying to receive the money from. So these were the 4 different ways that you can receive money on Revolut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.